Want better results from ChatGPT? Let's unlock the secrets today. Start by assigning a role. Tell ChatGPT to act like a marketing expert, it changes everything. Clear tasks beat vague ones. Instead of write something good, be specific and watch magic happen. Want neat lists or tables? Just ask. Like this, compare iPhone versus Android in a table. Refine your reply by following up. Say, make it shorter or add humor, ChatGPT adapts instantly. Drop examples to match style, like write something like this, then your sample. It gets you perfectly. Add constraints like under 80 words or formal tone, control the answer to fit your needs. Stack prompts for power, combine role, task, tone, and format. Pro-level output guaranteed. Remember, ChatGPT gets smarter the better you prompt it. Ready to level up your AI game? Drop your favorite prompt in comments and smash that like and subscribe button for more AI hacks.